For my screencast, I will be explaining how 7th graders in my ELA class should be utilizing Schoology. I will demonstrate how to use tools, show where to locate assignments, show where tests and quizzes are available, and show where to access grades, explain how to access and use the calendar, and much, much more. First and foremost, let's start on the homepage. The homepage is where you can access my daily announcement. As you can see on the screen, the daily announcement will include the date and day, the assignments that I hope to complete that day, reminders for the class, and any important links that are needed. You should consult the daily announcement every day, but especially on days when you are unable to attend school. This is your first stop if you want to know what was accomplished in class while you were out. The next place you would look if you are absent is the calendar. Every assignment that I give to you will appear on the calendar. The calendar can act as a direct link to an assignment. It will also give you a detailed description of that assignment. Please make sure that you read the assignment description thoroughly before you submit. If you move to the next icon to the right of the calendar, you will access the Message Center. This is how I will contact you if you are not currently in class. This is also a place where you can initiate contact with me. Feel free to use the messenger to ask questions, consult me about grades, or let me know about absences from school. I will always get back to you within the day if it is a school day, and within 48 hours if it is not. Be sure to consistently check your message center so you don't miss any important messages from your teachers. The next place we will be exploring is our course page. You will be able to find each and every important document for your class on our course page. Resources, assignments, tests and quizzes, as well as review materials will be available for you here. Important information can be found on both the left side menu and the main menu that contains the actual folders. As you can see on this screen here, I have a tests and quizzes folder. This is where all of your assessments will be. I have a folder containing all of the previous weekly folders. I have a folder here for Quizlet. You can use this folder to access all of your reviews for quizzes. I have a folder for text-dependent analysis writing resources. I have a folder for all FID assignments. Those are for flexible instruction days. I have a folder for our current novel. This will include rubrics and assignments for final projects. I have a folder for PSSA practice, and I also have a folder for this week. Let's take a look in the view of a student at the Gradebook. The Gradebook is one of the most important areas of Schoology. When you look inside the Gradebook, you can see what your average is for the course and for the trimester. I also include comments so that you know if you can improve upon a grade, or I leave comments that something was done well. This student is not a great example because she doesn't have any missing work. But if you were missing work, it would be marked with an orange hexagon. Any work with an orange hexagon can be made up for credit. This icon right here is going to give you an update anytime a grade has been submitted for you. Anytime there is a notification on this bell, it means that an assignment was either added, graded, or a comment was left. This brief overview of Schoology will help you when it comes to accessing our course material and turning in work.